Hey, Creative Weirdos. Today we're going to check out the climax scene in the film Moonlight from 2016. One of my favorite films, and it also won an Oscar. So, in the third act, we have this pivotal scene in the film where Chiron, now an adult, is known as Black. So, in the film, if you haven't already watched it, spoilers, but there's three stories: when he's a child, when he's a teenager, and when he's an adult. And he has a different name for each. But right now we're gonna look at the third act and the climax. So let's dive into that. Let's watch it and go through the script.
But what about you, bruh?
What about me?
Nigga, tell me something. I mean, what you doing? Who you doing? Man, come on, now. I've been back there in that kitchen, man, and cook for your ass and everything, man. Hey, these grandma rules, man. You know the deal. Your ass eat, your ass speak.
All right, straight up,
Yeah, nigga, straight up.
I'm trapping.
What?
Yeah. When they sent me to Atlanta, put me straight in the juve for beating the old boy. Met this dude in there. When I come out, he put me on the block. He good at it and rose up. It is what it is.
Bullshit, man. That ain't what it is. That ain't you, Chiron.
Nigga, you don't know me.
I don't know you. Hey, y'all. 24.50. Want change? All right.
Why you got them damn fronts, man? Why'd you call me?
What?
Why'd you call me?
I told you, man. Dude came in.
Yeah.
He played this song, man.
So, as a refresher, the climax is the moment when the protagonist faces their greatest internal challenge, typically involving a transformation or catharsis. So, for Chiron, or Black, or Little, but his real name is Chiron. So, this climatic scene is this vulnerable confession to Kevin, stating that you're the only man that has ever touched me, and the acknowledgement of this complex identity and emotion that he had throughout the film and throughout his life in these 3 stages of his life. So the film is this build-up, and this climax is the release wherein Chiron finally is able to drop this tough facade that he had to put up throughout his whole life in this progression of the 3 acts of the film. So this hardened persona is down, he opens up, and allowing himself to express his intimacy, and it's something that he struggled with throughout. And it's a very emotional and honest core of this film's climax. And honestly, it's very beautiful, very sad. And if you do the right things in the first act of your film, you can set these things up for this climax to happen. Whereas you're setting these obstacles and the themes and the ghost or the lie and all these other aspects to get this beautiful, fluid, but poignant and powerful climax. And honestly, I love it. So check out this film, and I'll put all the information I can in the description below. Till next time, weirdos, peace out.
If you haven't already subscribed, hit the bell notification for more creative and educational content every week. Or if you need help with your upcoming film or story projects, check out our website and our new guided story structure notebooks that help make plotting your scripts and stories a breeze.